Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Before we discuss how we can trade in this lower time frame, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Looking at monthly perspective first. Now looking at monthly, we see that gold is long-term bull market starting from this monthly level of support. We have seen that gold has a strong impulse to the upside back to back 3 months created this impulse followed by we have seen a correction. Now this red candle is in fact a retracement of this impulsive move to the upside. Now with that red candle we have seen that gold has closed above this monthly support zone, and as a result this month as soon as market open, the sellers tried to sell this market. Instead they created a higher low and rejected to the upside strongly. As this is a long-term bull market, we have seen this monthly impulse and then correction. Now we see gold is in another impulsive phase. As the market failed to create a new lower low, we could potentially see a new higher high as this is a long-term bullish market. With that being said, we can expect now gold at least to hit 1960 level or even breaking this high to create new higher high. So monthly showing a strong bullish momentum. Looking at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly perspective, gold has created another strong weekly candle on the weekly perspective. As you can see this week, once the market opened after this previous weekly pin bar, the price opened with a gap and created this big bullish candle. Now, if we look in the past, we see that whenever the market creates this kind of bullish candle, this is the weekly chart, we see that the candle closed with a full body. Wherever we see this kind of a strong bullish candle, we see that full body close, giving a potential for this market. As soon as it will drop to the downside, we might see another bullish move, as we can expect this candle to close as a strong bullish candle. Now looking at daily, what we saw the last day of trading week, the previous day, there is a strong middleman, bullish middleman that has crossed this dodges low, grabbed liquidity, and then created this bullish candle that has a long wick at the bottom and also long wick at the top with a healthy body. This is a strong bullish candle. As you know that the fundamental is strongly bullish, as during this crisis time, gold always become a safe haven. So you see that there's a lot of investment coming on gold. So with that being said, we could potentially see stronger movement in this market. Now this is the daily chart. We have seen an impulse narrow correction. Again, it is showing another impulsive phase. So on the lower time frame, let's look at on the 4 hour, we see that this market already tested this 20 period moving average on the 4 hour time frame and has a strongly rejected to the upside. And we see that according to our TF or trend following strategy, we have already successfully closed a couple of trades, winning trades on gold, and we will be looking to have more. Now this is the lower time frame. Let's see where we can find trading opportunity in the upcoming times. Now as you can see, once this market rejected from this 20 period moving average on the 4 hour, it created this impulse. Again, the price is in a pullback phase. What we will be waiting, if you closely look at that, the price has formed a structure in this level. There was a bullish structure when the price was consolidating along this zone. Now from that structure, we have seen that after breaking this to the downside, after grabbing liquidity, gold has created this impulse. Now what we see that this structure, this resistance here with all those candles has not been tested here as a support properly. What I think that at some point later today we could see gold is coming back down to test this previous resistance here as a support, and along with this 4 hour 20 EMA we could see further movement from this zone. So as soon as you will see gold has come back down for testing this previous resistance as a support and also violate this structure, which may create a false breakout of this local support, can give us a suitable entry opportunity. So as soon as you will see gold has broken down, giving us potential for trading opportunity along this zone after a false breakout of this local structure and testing of this previous resistance and support. After significant rejection from the bottom, we will consider going long on gold. On the other hand, if we see that gold did not reach that level, did not do any false breakout, instead creating a stronger bullish price action along the way, we'll try to find suitable entry opportunity along this zone. So as soon as we will find, we'll consider going long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to help this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.